Hey guys, today I want to tell you about a really interesting AI-based crypto project I recently discovered. I'll also share the results I've gotten with it and the profits I was able to lock in. Make sure to drop a like and a comment. That really motivates me to keep sharing useful stuff with you from the world of crypto investing. So this is an AI-powered crypto arbitrage bot. It scans for price spreads and automatically trades on both centralized exchanges, like Binance, OKX, Bitget, and decentralized ones, like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and others. In simple terms, it buys low and sells high automatically. What makes this service stand out from the rest is that it doesn't just find arbitrage opportunities. It actually executes the trades for you. You don't have to do anything manually. Just set it up, launch it, and let it work for you. The bot comes with both free and paid versions. There are also user reviews and even some investment funds that have backed the project. Using this service myself, I managed to grow my balance from $10,000 to $22,000 in just 1 month. That's $12,000 profit. It performs especially well during times of high market volatility. For example, during the market dump on October 10th, the bot made about plus 40% in just a few hours. And that's seriously impressive. All right, let me show you how it works. Let's go through the setup. Here's my new wallet with $10,000 on it. We hit the start button and the login window pops up. Since I'm using the paid version, I just enter my key. But you can activate the free trial version. It works for 14 days and doesn't cost anything. Next, we get the configuration window. Let's set it up. We need to specify the minimum and maximum spread the bot should work with, the range of amounts it can trade, and the maximum exchange fee, which I recommend setting to no more than 0.05%. Then we'll need API keys from the exchanges we're going to use. The more exchanges you connect, the higher your chances of finding profitable arbitrage opportunities. Once that's done, we connect our wallet and hit Launch Bot. Okay, now we can see the bot syncing and starting to search for spreads. Here it found one and executed a trade between an exchange and a DEX platform. I'll fast forward the video a bit and then we'll check the results. I've stopped the bot. Let's check the balance. As you can see, within just a few minutes, it found and executed 2 trades. If we tried to do that manually, we probably wouldn't have made it in time, because crypto arbitrage opportunities appear suddenly and disappear just as fast as market makers quickly equalize prices. And that's pretty much all I wanted to show you today. Just to clarify, this isn't a paid promotion or anything like that. I'm simply sharing a tool that I personally use and that works well for me.